What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here. And I've told you that we might have a next leg to the upside because of the movement, because of the basically triple bottom pattern. And this previous movement had a very good volume, as you can see. And this means usually these type of patterns break to the upside, breaks previous swing highs and hit some higher targets. But in our case, we break this triple bottom support line. And for now, we are below this range. So it is what it is. Basically, in a greater scale, we are still in line with my forecast that we might hit this huge green bar, and it is a 0.65 Fibonacci retracement level. It is the golden pocket pattern on the most greatest scale. And for now, we are moving towards this range. And what should we expect next? I will show you in my technical analysis. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news that drives the market and the NIO's price. So, we have a harsh sell-off all across the markets. All of the indexes are in red, and I have to say they are deeply in red. If we will take a look on S&P 500 heat map, we have the red color all across the board, and it is not the best sign for the markets. And I have to say it is the result of some fears and the anticipation of rising interest rates. So, and let me show you the result of this news. And basically on January 21st we have this article, and it says electric vehicle stocks are getting caught up in the great value reset of 2022. And let me quote you this: electric vehicle stocks are sharply lower as investors continue to shift away from high multiple stocks in the tech and auto sectors toward value stocks. Concerns over the cost and supply of semiconductors are also in the mix today. And definitely because of this, because of the negative anticipation for the entire market, a lot of investors just switch their position from growth stocks to value stocks. And it is quite obvious, but all in all, let me show you the forecast from TPRanks. We still have 9 ratings, and 8 of them suggest to buy, 1 to hold and 0 to sell. And even the lowest price target is $37.70. Average price target is $59.46, and the highest price target is $87. And to the average price we have about 120% of upside potential. So this market for now gives us an amazing opportunity to buy our favorite stocks for a cheaper price. And in my opinion, we have to be prepared for this. So let's continue with the news directly related to NIO. First of all, let me show you this. We are on cnvpost.com, and this article was published on January 21st, and it's titled NIO partners with IKEA, 800th swap station in China goes online. The launch of the station is just the first step in its partnership with IKEA, and more battery swap stations will appear in IKEA malls in the future, NIO said. And I have to say that IKEA is one of the biggest companies in the world that has a lot of stores all over the world. And if it is the first partnership, and this means we might see these type of swap stations not only in China but all over the world. Next one, right here we can find all the pros and all the cons for 2 types of charging electric vehicle. First of all, definitely the charging itself, and second one is swapping. And let me quote you this: CITIC Securities expect energy replenishment to remain primarily charging, supplemented by battery swap over the next 5 years, but the latter's adoption will accelerate significantly. And right here in this article, I will put the link on all of these articles in the description below. You can find all the pros and all the cons of these two approaches. And I have to say that NIO is the world leader in the swapping stations technology. And this means, in a matter of several years, if this technology will prove itself, NIO will have a huge competitive advantage on this market. So, and let's continue with another news. We have this article, and it says that Volvo exec reportedly to join NIO to lead its German market expansion. And the subtitle is: Volvo's Director of Commercial Operations in Germany will join NIO in March as the Chinese EV carmaker's General Manager for the German market, German media reported. And the name of this person is Ralf Kranz. He is Director of Commercial Operations at Volvo Germany, and he has huge experience in Volvo for 10 years, and he held several management positions. And this news shows us that NIO is hiring top-notch executives for their expansion in Europe, and definitely they will hire top-notch employees in the United States as well. So I think it is a very good sign. And the last but not least news is right here. NIO's Norway Swap Station launch event goes viral in China unexpectedly and hilariously. The videos about the event were widely shared in many chat groups and on Chinese social media. And here is the screenshot of this event, and I have to say that you can find the original video right here and a bunch of new videos that was made with another music, and definitely it had a huge social impact. And all in all, this event becomes viral, and potentially it attracts more new customers. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, fundamentally this company is still performing very well, but because of the red markets in general, we have this harsh sell-off. And let me switch to daily time frame. We have this falling bullish wedge, and I marked this pattern a couple of videos ago, and for now we are still inside this formation, and we have to hit, in my opinion, the range in between 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement levels. It is the Fibonacci levels from the bottom to the top, and basically it is about 65% retracement. And this is the probable outcome for the price. And definitely for now we are in line with this forecast. But let me show you another pattern, and you can find it on a 3 or 2 hours time frame, no matter what type of time frames you are using now. And basically it is the same pattern but on a smaller scale. If I make if I connect all these swing highs, as you can see, we have almost the same pattern. And this is our first resistance. If we connect all of these, despite of this movement to the upside, potentially it might be a false breakout. And the bottom line is right here, is the line that we have on a greater scale as a support line. And definitely it is the same pattern, and usually it breaks to the upside. And in this case, we might have something like this. We might break it to the upside, and we might hit even higher range of resistance with the next couple of months. So just be prepared for this price action, and in my opinion, if you want to invest in this asset, the current price points are quite attractive, I have to say, but every time you have to be cautious and first of all do your own due diligence. Remember, red market, in my opinion, is not for a long time, and you have to benefit from this price action during the harsh movement to the downside. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!